You like that? Flipping over my bun cell. So today, my daughter wanted bun cell, so I had prepared this dish especially for her, and then the little crepes. These are the grandchildren favorites, so I made specially for them. And of course, I have to please all the adult and kids in my household. So. The kid tricking is that they don't want to eat this flat crepes, right? But they will fall for this. As a chef, I'm trying to please all my customers. It's all right. It's a pleasure cooking. Today, the bun cell says that some of my kids like shrimps, and some of them don't like shrimps. So, to make bun cell, you have to have a really nice non-stick pan. Right? There you go. And then bun coat. It's